Hey guys, Cast72 here. I want to share with you guys another video. This one's going to pertain to my Virago 250. I want to wrap the mufflers in muffler wrap, and that's what we're going to be doing today. And I know it's a windy day today, and it's kind of cloudy, so hopefully the video comes out good. I've got the neighbors also building a shed across the street over here, so you might hear the nail gun and some other noises. So hopefully, well, technically that probably won't affect us because I'm going to do a time lapse. This is just basically me explaining what I'll be doing today. And so like I said, the tools we're going to need are, well, first and foremost, I hope everyone's doing well out there. I enjoy y'all watching my videos, and I enjoy making them. And for everyone that does come through my channel, I really sincerely mean that. I hope everyone's doing well, and everyone's family as well. So with that being said, there's the noise I was mentioning. Okay, so anyway, you're gonna need a blade, some scissors, some gloves, because after all, you are messing with fiberglass. I'll put the link in the description below where I got the muffler wrap. This is made by SunplusTrade, and I went with black, pretty common color. I actually did a wrap on my mufflers on the Virago in orange to match the stripe that I did on the bike, the orange stripe, but unfortunately that was poor quality. I got it off eBay. It faded very quickly. It was just terrible. This one got some good reviews, and what you get is you get a roll. This is 50 feet, which is way more than what I need, but better safe than sorry, right? And then of course you got your straps, your tie straps, which are pretty much aluminum, and you get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looks like 6 of them, which we won't even need that many either. So real quick, let me take you around the bike. I want to show you what I'm going to do, because I'm not going to do the entire muffler. You might get some movement on the camera here because the wind's blowing pretty good today. But what was I going to say? Oh yes, let me show you what I'm going to do on the bike, because it's not going to be the whole muffler. It's going to be specific sections on it, and it won't take that long, I don't think, because the muffler's not that long. So yeah, let me show you that real quick. Okay guys, so in particular what I'll be doing is, first and foremost, I've already cleaned the mufflers completely twice, just to make sure there's no leftover residue and there's no dirt or debris on the muffler before I wrap them. And what I'm going to be doing basically is, it's going to be basically this muffler here down all the way up to where it meets right here. That's where I'm going to stop. Same with the top one. Start up here, come down, and stop right there. I'm not going to do the back because I love the way that looks. I like the chrome look. Reason why I'm doing this is because basically it'll just help dissipate the heat properly, and of course because of that it'll allow the gases and exhaust to burn a lot easier, and more importantly it'll keep the heat away from the engine itself, helping it keep cool at that point. And we all know a cool engine runs a lot better than a hot one. This particular bike is air cooled. There's no fans on it, so this is actually going to help it with that heat dissipation. But yeah guys, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. And as you can see, they're not very big pieces. I got 50 feet, which is more than enough, so I'm pretty sure that's going to work out just great. So as always, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and from this point on it'll be time-lapse, and unless I come across a problem or something that I need to bring to your attention, I'll stop the video and explain what's going on. But other than that, hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get this started. guys, so a quick break before we get the other one started. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So there you go. And as you can see, these, once I cut them, I'll turn these around to where it's basically going to look like this one right here, and you'll just see the actual nice aluminum trim, but you won't see the actual connection point. And that takes care of that one. And like I said, I do suggest wearing gloves because that fiberglass will get in your skin and irritate the hell out of you. And another thing too is, once these are done, I will be spraying some manifold paint on these black, just to keep the color retention a lot more longer than what it would be without. And so now we're going to go ahead and do this other one. This one here is going to be a little more tedious, and in case you're wondering why I didn't just take the mufflers off, it's because, like I've mentioned before in my videos, time is of the essence for me. I've got such a busy schedule. Anywhere I can cut time, I'm gonna do that. So therefore, taking these off and doing it that way would take too much time, and I've got other things I've got to do today, so that's why I'm doing it this way. It's not that difficult anyway. You just got to give yourself plenty of leeway on the roll, and then just take your time. Another thing is, I went about a quarter overlap. I don't know if you can see that. I did about a quarter overlap, and that's kind of like overlapping the width of the wrap about a quarter of an inch. So okay, with that guys being said, let's go ahead and continue, and yeah, let's go ahead and get going. Okay guys, so there you have it. Finally got it done. All in all, it took me about 45 minutes. I really like the way that chrome, cutoff comes out, and then you've got the matte finish right here with the muffler wrap. Looks very nice. Yeah, like I said, it took about 45 minutes. If I would have taken the mufflers off, it would have taken a lot longer, because I would have had to, readjust them, put them back on, bolt them down, all the good stuff. The only thing left now that I'm going to do, I don't have any on me, otherwise I'd do it now, is I'm going to go ahead and paint these with a light coat of exhaust manifold flat matte finish paint. Of course heat resistant, or up to a certain degree. And I had about this much left over, which is plenty in case I need to redo either one, top or bottom. So I got my money's worth, I guess I should say. And I even stayed with 2 tie straps. Sorry about the background noise guys. My neighbors, like I said, they're building a shed back in their house. Let me see, am I leaving anything else out? If you do this, just be sure to keep a lot of tension on that wrap. Don't let it loose for any reason. Just really try to keep a good grasp on it, keep a nice tight fit. And I'm gonna probably wash the bike later. Looks like the sun's trying to come out. Yeah, I've got some other things I'll be doing to the Virago. I've got some stuff coming up for my Kia Soul and my other bikes. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and as always guys, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.